So on Angled, how tough are the products that we actually create? So everything on Angled is actually 3D printed. And 3D printing is not a bad process at all for making a final product. It's just you have to make certain that the design of the product is designed for 3D printing. So that's what we do at Angled. Whenever a new product is submitted to us, we always review it to make sure that it is manufacturable, to make sure that the output of it is a good quality piece that is strong enough, tough enough, or durable enough to do what it's been designed to do. So if it's something for a dishwasher, we will make sure that it is designed to be waterproof, it can be printed to be tough, and is made from the correct material to be able to take the dishwashing. If it's something simpler like a pot or anything else like that, very often it's just kind of has an aesthetic purpose, so we just make sure that it looks good once it's printed. It's really just about making sure that the design fits with the manufacturing process. And that's what our design team and review staff is here to do. Make sure that any product that comes through Angled is a good product. And that's how we make sure that it's durable enough, tough enough, and performs its job as intended.